Good morning. This is Pallavi Singh, the student of B.Ed second year, fourth semester. My topic for the presentation is Vedic education system. In the words of Albert Einstein, we owe a lot to Indians who taught us how to count without no worthwhile scientific discovery could have made. This shows the importance of Vedic period and ancient education system in India. The most important contribution of ancient India is not only for the Indians but also for the world of education. It may be remembered that the education is not an abstract term. It manifests in the cultural, economic, and individual, philosophic, scientific, social, spiritual advancement. In other words, education means the development of the mind for the betterment of the individuals and the society. The basis of Indian culture lies in the Vedas, which are divided into four categories, that is Rigved, Samved, Atharvaved and Yajurved. The education system prevails during the Vedic period times had some unique characters. Education was confined to the upper caste and to those who were only the brahmacharis. In India, during the period of most of the upper caste, which were either Brahmins or the Kshatriyas, were provided the education in a unique system called as Gurukulas. The important aims of education of Vedic period are education for the worldliness, character formation, around all-round development, intellectual development, spiritual development, preparation of living, preserving and transmitting cultures. Education was the only means and not the end of itself. It covered curriculum which included Vedic literature, the Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, Atharvaved, the Vedangas, the Shilpa Vedas, the physical education. Methods of instructions were important methods. Listening, that is Shravana, listening to the words told by the teacher. Deliberation, that is Manan or Chintan, over the issues on the topics taught by the teacher. And the third one was meditation, the Nidhi Sandhya, which represents the highest stage of education. Illustrations, project methods. The role of the teacher was very important in Vedic age, and he was only responsible for imparting the knowledge, whether it is religious as well as secular, but in molding the character, personality and pupils of his ashramas. Acharya of the Gurukul system was an affectionate father, an effective teacher, and a high moral person and full of spiritual qualities. The students in the Vedic school was called Brahmacharyas. He had to dedicate his life for the sake of gaining knowledge and leading enlightened life. The Upanishads clearly describe the qualities required for a brahmacharis. A student had to be calm, patient, self-restrained and self-defined. The women were given full status with men. For girls also, the Upanayan, the initiation ceremony, was performed, and after that their education began. They used to study the Vedas and other religious and philosophy books. They were free to participate in religious and philosophical discourses. Many Sanhitas of Rigvedas were composed by women. Rigveda is the mirror of ancient culture and Indian civilization. Perfection in education. The main aim of Vedic education was to liberate the soul from worldly bondage, equal rights for all, ideal for teachers, educational standard in the family, equal opportunities to gain education. Vedic age had thus a system of education in which hearing, chanting, and memorizing played a great part. Education was must for everybody for becoming cultured. Education was the fully capable of development of physical and intellectual and character development of civic, social, moral and spiritual values. Social efficiency and happiness, preservation and spread of culture, infusion of piety and religious development of best type of personality. Relationship between guru and pupil were very cordial during Vedic and post-Vedic period. By means of education, effort were being made to infuse Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram inside the student. A great importance was attached to Veda in education system. Self-study, that is Swadhyaya, was considered more important during that period.